He was dreaming. His face was getting all twitchy. This is Randall sleeping. Were you dreaming, baby? Oh, wait, I didn't even touch you. How did that happen? There's your toothless face. I was gonna touch you. You felt me coming, huh? His ear's been bugging him. Yeah. Yeah, it's a boop. That is a derpy old dude. What was that noise? I called you a derp, but I do that all the time. Nothing new there. Meow. Kind of wondering if he's got allergies. You sneeze and you cough, and then your ear gets goopy. But you're purring real nice right now. And the doctor says everything's fine. But you sneeze and you cough, and then your ear gets goopy. I don't know. What do you think? Wow. Is that a horse face? Are you a horse? What are you doing? Oh, thanks for the close-up. You little booger. Wow. Does it feel nice having your ear massaged? But it does. Silly butt. Randall, say bye. I'm gonna put my hand behind the camera like this and see what happens. Don't you hit me like that. Someone tends to like to rake me. It's not fun. It's not fun. I don't like it. It makes me very upset. Yeah. You got bad old man habits. Yes, you have. New ones, too. You get new ones every day. It's very annoying. Don't you, bud? Yep. Alright, well there's our Randall feature. Just had an oops on top of the door feature. Oopsie is the kitty cat, too. Randall is short for random arrival. And the long form of his name is Randall Panhandle Manscandal III. Huh, bud? You knew that. You've heard it before. What you doing? Sticking your face places. Okay. Say bye, Randall. Say bye. Or don't. Come here, give me your face. Give me your face to say bye with. Come here, give me your face. Give me your face. I want you to say bye. Come here. I'm gonna bother you until you do it. I am. Get it. Come here. Boop. There we go. Bye-bye. Take care. Yeah, you don't care, do you? You don't care. You just don't want to look up. I don't know why. There's a proper goodbye. Bye.